Hey, what's up guys? We're back with another episode of Sober Facts from Landmark Recovery, bringing you your daily dose of sober facts. We're back with Kayla over here, registered dietitian and director of dietary services here at Landmark Recovery. Today, she's going to give you tips on what to choose when it comes to making healthier meal choices.
Thanks, Will. A well-balanced diet will contain carbohydrates, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, and water, all of which you get through a variety of different food groups. When choosing the best options, here are some tips. Choose whole grains instead of those that are refined. Pick lean cuts of meat and fish over those that are highly processed.
Good thing I like salmon.
Me too. Choose fats that are high in poly and monounsaturated fatty acids, which come from seeds, nuts, and fatty fish, and avoid saturated and trans fats. Choose fresh fruit over fruit juice so you can load up on necessary fiber.
Nice.
When it comes to vegetables, the brighter and more colorful, the better.
Good thing I like red peppers.
They're so good.
Yes.
And lastly, always be sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day.
Absolutely. If you have any questions related to drugs, nutrition, or mental health, feel free to drop them in the comments below and we will give you an answer. You can find Landmark Recovery's social media links in the description below. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications for more Sober Facts. I'm Will.
And I'm Kayla.
And we are signing off until next time.
Bye.